Okay, we've made it to our final example of this lesson, which is on finding an arc length. So for this first one, they've given us a situation with a traffic circle, or what we kind of call a roundabout, a circular roadway at the intersection of two or more streets that allows cars to travel through more continuously than a traffic light or stop sign. So if you've been down to the Yakima Valley Mall, there's a couple of roundabouts down there. The diameter of a traffic circle is 160 feet. How far does a car travel in the roundabout if it goes 3/4 of the way around? Okay, so we're going to use our understanding of arc length to figure this out. So, first of all, we want to find that central angle in radians. We want to figure out what this angle is here. So that angle is, in this case, it's going to be 3/4 of 2 pi, which is going to be 2 times 3 up here will give you 6, and 6 over 4 reduces to 3 over 2. So we get 3 pi over 2 is that central angle. So let me redraw mine so it's actually doing that 3/4. Okay. So that central angle right there is 3 pi over 2. In order to figure out our arc, right, that's going from this point, our major arc, from this point to that side, right, as opposed to our minor arc right here. So to figure out this major arc, we need to take that angle, 3 pi over 2 radians, and we just need to multiply it by the radius of our circle. So it says the diameter is 160, meaning our radius should be 80. So we will have 80 multiplied by 3 pi over 2. Which means that we will get 80 over 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 120. So I think we're going to get 120 pi in the end for that arc length. We can compare that to what we would expect. So if we did 2 pi r to get our circumference, and then we just multiplied that by 3/4, then we would get 6 over 4, which would reduce to 3 over 2 once again. So we're getting the same thing that we'd expect, right? We'd get 3 pi over 2 multiplied by our r. Exact same thing that we did to get this. Okay, so our final answer would be 120 pi feet. And that is it for our final example, example number 6. So thank you for watching all of these lesson examples, and I wish you luck with any of your homework problems that are based off these. I'll see you in the next lesson.